Hey, last minute garage. Thanks for coming back. On this group of videos, I'll be showing you where I alter my 46 Ford frame so that the Subaru cross members will bolt up and I can start putting things back together. Alright, show you where we're at. Thanks for checking us out. Comment, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Drop this piece down and then build it. Alright, we are going to cut, that's right, 30 inches, 30.5 inches. I'm going to cut it there, cut here, cut angle, I'm going to go 3 inches over. So angle here, cut here, cut here. Drop this piece down, cut these off, get those rivets out, clean up all the rivets that are still stuck in this thing, and start welding in the step down so that we can put this thing together. Alright, last minute garage. Thanks for watching. We got some 2x6 1/8" steel tubing, so we are ready to start to put stuff back together. With that, yeah, cool. On this part here, I take a piece of cardboard and I trace out 2 large gussets on 1/8" steel that I eventually will weld in and make that little joggle that much stronger on both sides. Alright, let's get this thing on there. You got proof I did this one myself, right? Alright. Let's make some pillars, huh? Got one cut here, huh? We'll see, huh? Alright, last minute garage. Let's see what our next steps are to keep this project moving along. I've tackled these 2 pieces in here around where I've bolted in this front cross member. I need to take and weld it all the way around on top and bottom, both sides. I need to put a gusset in right here. I have the piece to do it, so I need to get on that. But a few things to weld on, just to get them tack welded. Pull both of these frame rails out, fully weld everything up, put them back in, and then we should be able to start putting this cab in the right position. We still do need to address this. We need to make some towers. That's going to be another interesting feat to accomplish, but I have a couple ideas that, of course, are going to work. So that'll be interesting. That'll be the next one, and of course, tackling the back ones too. I have an idea for that too, so that'll be interesting. Need to get to it though, because the sun's coming out and the weather's getting warmer, and we have to. All right, well, better quit messing around and get to it. It's not gonna get done by itself. All right, last minute garage. Comment, please. Subscribe, like, comment. Last minute garage. Thanks for watching.